भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम के साबिक कप्तान सुनील गावस्कर ने अपनी टीम को खबरदार किया है कि खराब फील्डिंग का सिलसिला ना थमा तो पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ फाइनल भारी पड़ सकता है। दोनों टीमों के दरमियान बड़े फाइनल में सख्त मुकाबला होगा।
India-Pakistan game, whether it's a final or it's a first round, there will always be a little bit of a skirmish, if I might use that word, a little bit of fireworks. That is to be expected because both teams play very hard. Both teams do not give each other even a millimeter. So clearly, I think when two teams are going hard at each other, there is bound to be some sparks. There's bound to be some fireworks. Hopefully, it doesn't turn into anything ugly. Yes, it is. That's the worrying thing. The catching and the ground fielding against Sri Lanka was disappointing. It could have been even better. If it had been better, then India would have won the match. It wouldn't have gone to the super over. So that's the one area that India cannot afford to be losing.